You basically want the client to have an argument with themselves. So one of the biggest things that I see contractors misunderstanding about like providing value is how you separate yourself in the sales process in order to provide that value. What you want to happen, if there's multiple contractors, if you're talking to someone and they're getting multiple bids, they either got them or they're going to, whatever it might be. Let's say your price is $50,000, but they already got two other bids and they were 35 and 40,000. So you're, $10,000-$15,000 more. What you want to happen with your clients is if they say, hey, we need time to think about it, you want to leave that conversation, the house or whatever, the phone call, and you basically want the client to have an argument with themselves that goes something like this. Man, I really like Brad. He's the guy, everything about him says that he's going to do phenomenal work. They have great reviews, all that stuff. I really want to hire Brad, but he's so much more expensive than everyone else, right? But the difference is if the price was the same, they would hire me in a heartbeat because they want to work with me. It's just the additional cost is the barrier, right? I want them to have this conflict of, you're the guy I want to hire, now I just need to justify paying more money. Because if they can come to that justification, then what's going to happen is the value from that part on, the value that we provide is going to seem even higher because they've now associated more value by paying more. And this is proven across all, price biasing, all that stuff. It's already proven. This is psychological, it's proven, I'm not making this up. There's all kinds of studies on this. So you want them to be conflicted because you're the best person for the job based on all of the value that you brought through the sales process.